Like Mishimoto stuff has arrived. Really nice box thing. Right, got here a fan shroud, because the one we've got on there is pretty much not so great, and I think a mouse could blow cooler than that. But I'm not going to pull it apart. This is what it looks like. It's really nice, packaged well. And if I put this down here, there's the monster, ready to be risen from the dead. And we've got a sponsor bag, which has got loads of goodies in it, but I will show you that in a sec. But now, this must be the famous little cash tank. Again, I won't open it up again. I'll take some pictures so you guys can have a good look at it. And in here, I know it's really rushed, but yes, and we've got some nice little stickers in there. Thank you very much, Mishimoto. What else have we got? It smells really nice in here. Good stuff. Must be chewing gum. Let's have a look. No, it isn't. But anyway, got this nice little lanyard. That's what they're called, isn't it? Key ring, right, and then what's this? I don't know, but it looks something soft. And there's an air freshener. It smells really nice. Right, thank you Mishimoto for sponsoring me, and hopefully there's going to be plenty more coming, exciting things coming up. But as you can see, at the moment it's in a work in progress. So there's not much left. We just need to get the intake plenum all done, all connected up, all the wiring all like tidied up and sorted, a good wash, on the road, bang.